Not for us today. Good morning. As you can see, I'm at Ebbsfleet International once again. It's 10th of September and Beverly, my wife, is going to tell you all about her key card and the special offer we've got for travelling on the trains today and where we're going and what we're going to do. So, over to you, Beverly.
We're going to Dover.
And how are we getting there?
We're going by train.
Yeah, but what are we using?
We're using a little voucher that I got when I purchased my annual key card. It entitles 2 people to travel unlimited travel on southeastern trains. Is it southeastern or southeast?
Southeastern trains.
Southeastern trains for a day of their choosing. And to activate the card, all you need to do is put the dates on. Simple as that.
Activated. But we're cheating. We're taking an extra passenger. Aren't we, Floss? Extra passenger without a ticket. So for the first leg of the journey, we're waiting for the 0927 Javelin service, high speed one, which will take us down to Canterbury West. Only one stop, which is Ashford International, where the train was. Oh look, splendid Regency style road station at Canterbury West. Good shed, looks like it's been turned into a coffee house, tea house, and a splendid signal box. How's it going, Bev?
What's that away?
Augustine's Abbey.
Oh, no, not again. Can you just put that away?
Alright. In which to catch the train, but we have arrived at Canterbury East Station, so we should be alright. Can't see a train in the station at the moment. So here we are, Shepherd's Well station. Interestingly enough, when you do an inquiry on National Rail inquiries, you don't spell Shepherd's Well that way, you spell it as 2 separate words. Interesting fact. East Kent Railway at Shepherd's Well. We caught the train, as you know, from Canterbury West, and it arrived at Shepherd's Well Southeastern Station at 11:31, and in true railway prototypical operation, the railway from Shepherd's Well left at 11:30, a minute after our train arrived. So we weren't able to go on it because it won't get back until 1 o'clock, and we've got other things to do. Anyway, can come back another day. Next train back from Shepherd's Well to our next destination is at 12:31, but we did stop and we had a nice bacon sandwich and a cup of tea. 365 degrees at the station because apparently the train's approaching, although I can't see it. It's quite a long running. What I can see is I can see right through to the other end of the tunnel. Look, whee! Nice station, very nice station. It's even got a signal box. Just down there. As you can see, it's a very long running, all downhill.
Is this the last train for the British Rock? We're getting off at Dover.
Yep.
So we're just going to the Dover station to Dover.
Well, the heavens have just opened. Quite a long way to go yet to walk up that hill to get to the castle.
The other one?
Oh, no, this one's a high-speed train.
Oh, we're not in high speed train.
Yeah.
We are?
Yeah. So the one we caught, this one's going to Deal, and the one we're going to get is coming from Deal. Because the engineering works, they're terminating at Deal. So we could catch this one and go to Deal, and then catch it back. We're going to get back a bit earlier than anticipated because it's very windy down here in Dover. So we're going back home. We'll get on at the end.